屋上に避難している人が確認できます。
Natural disasters occur in various places all over the world each year. In Japan, in March of 2011, a massive earthquake of magnitude 9.0 struck the northeastern region, the largest earthquake observed in the country in recent history, and caused severe damage. Fukuoka City, where we live, was not directly affected by the Great East Japan earthquake. The people of Western Japan send words of encouragement to the affected area. However, no one knows when a natural disaster will occur. In Fukuoka, awareness of disaster prevention has grown year by year since a magnitude 7.0 earthquake struck off the coast of Fukuoka City in 2005, and flood damage was caused by torrential rainy season downpours. What should you do when a disaster strikes? In order to protect yourself and keep damage to a minimum, let's learn about disaster response and preparedness. Unlike the wind and flooding damage caused by typhoons, earthquakes are natural disasters that can happen very suddenly. Undoubtedly, many people have never experienced an earthquake. Let's see how to properly respond in such a situation. When you feel the shaking, the most important thing is to think about your own safety. Take shelter under a table or desk to avoid being injured by falling objects. In this case, hold on tightly to the legs of the desk so it doesn't move. If there is no table under which to hide, protect your head from falling objects with a cushion, magazine, or other items close at hand. If you are outdoors, be sure to take shelter away from buildings, as there is a risk of glass from the windows of tall buildings breaking and falling. Take the following steps to be prepared for the secondary disasters that come once the shaking has stopped. Confirm information on tsunami. If you cannot use your TV due to a power failure, the radio is your next best option for receiving information.
This information
in Fukuoka City, Love FM broadcasts emergency bulletins in foreign languages. The frequency for Love FM is 76.1. You can also find information about the situation by accessing internet news on your mobile phone or through Twitter. When an earthquake occurs, there is a risk that the door to your home will warp and become unable to be opened. Open your front door to guarantee an escape route. To avoid fires, quickly turn off any gas appliances or heaters you may be using. When evacuating, please keep the following things in mind. There is a risk of being trapped in an elevator when it stops suddenly. In apartments and other buildings, be sure to use the stairs. When an earthquake occurs, areas near the ocean or rivers are at risk for tsunami. When you feel strong shaking and hear tsunami warnings, evacuate to high ground as quickly as possible. In Fukuoka City, community centers and elementary schools in each area are designated as evacuation shelters in times of disaster. You should regularly confirm the location of evacuation shelters in your area.